In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the paywall page on Circle. So, this is a great way to make sure that your brand and your message come through clearly and effectively when people visit your paywall. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Make sure you have your credentials ready because this will give you access to all the settings you need. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, navigate over to the settings by looking for the gear icon, which might be tucked away in a menu on the side of your screen. Select Settings and then proceed to the Payments section. From here, go to Plans. This is where you'll see a list of all the subscription plans you have set up. Now look through the list and select the specific plan you want to edit. It's important to know exactly which plan you want to customize to avoid changing the wrong one. Just click on that plan and you'll be directed to its settings. Once you're in the plan settings, you'll see an option that says Edit Paywall. Click on that. This is the part where you can start to get creative. You'll find a variety of options to edit things like the title, description, and images, as well as the text on buttons. Take your time here to ensure that everything aligns with your brand's identity and the message you want to convey. After you've made all your customizations, don't forget to click Save Changes. This might sound basic, but it's a crucial step to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Always saving your changes is a good habit to have, especially when you're dealing with important content. Now let's talk about customizing the title, description, image, and button text. These elements are crucial for making your paywall look exactly how you want it. The title should be concise and convey the core offering of the plan. For the description, you have a bit more room to elaborate. Use this chance to tell potential subscribers what they stand to gain. Images should be high quality and engaging, as they will capture attention quickly. Finally, ensure the button text is action-oriented and clear. That wraps up the whole process of customizing your Circle.so Paywall page. Take your time with each step, ensuring everything is tailored to your audience and true to your brand. Remember, a well-customized paywall can make a big difference in converting visitors into subscribers. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.